Hi, this is Bea Lennux, and welcome back to part 2 of us making our turkey lasagna. Sorry, I almost said spaghetti. So, alright, so we are going to be cutting our carrot. Meanwhile, I'm stirring this lasagna. It is actually still cooking, but it should be done momentarily. So here, let me go ahead and zoom you back in. And here we go. So I just cut up the onion. Actually, here, let me see. So we're going to be using some Italian seasoning first. Go ahead and season this turkey. Real quick before I go any further. I pulled the turkey off the fire until I knew I was ready for all this. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, I was like, okay, I was getting a little ahead of myself there. But I got really excited to make the video. So there we go. It's Italian seasoning. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that smells like it already has a lot of that other stuff in there. I've got some lemon pepper. So it already smells like it has the rosemary and the thyme in it. So I don't think I'm going to be adding that, but I'm going to be adding some basil leaves. But I can smell those two of those combination inside that Italian seasoning, so it smells terrific. Okay, some garlic. Some Mrs. Dash. Remember, I don't do salt, people. You know, I do have a kid. We did lose someone very, very dear to us. I am a widower, and we don't do salt. We're gonna put some parsley in this, and we're gonna put some parsley on top when it's done. Yes. So, now, originally, the original recipe for this says you can do seasoned salt. But with all the seasonings I just put on here, you'll be just fine without it. So, and it tastes just as good the way it is. So, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna grate the carrots. Now you can chop them up, but really, I'm just like, oh, forget it. I'm gonna just grate it. I'm just gonna grate it. I don't feel like chopping the whole damn time. In all honesty, I really don't. You know what I'm saying? Sure, but I really don't. Alright, so these are done. Let me pull them. You know that always happens. No matter what you try to do to avoid it, it happens anyway. So, here we go. Let me set these right on top of this. Let me just go ahead and add in what I already have. Yeah, I should have had this graded before I started the video. I'm not even playing. But yeah, it happens. It happens. happens. I was not prepared for this. Yeah, we just walked into the door. I was like, here, I gotta record. Let's get this done, people. Let's get this done. I'm pretty sure there's thousands of people who are hungry. They're looking for a video to go ahead and get down and start cooking tonight. Tonight. Don't worry, I'm gonna hook you up with a nice, cute, delicious, mouth-watering turkey lasagna tonight. Now I'm gonna hook you up with how to do it. It's gonna be scrumptious. Ooh, okay, that's hot. Very hot. Very hot, very hot. So, okay, so I'm going to set this down over here. Yes, I am. Okay, so we used a half an onion. We didn't even get through a whole half or a fourth of a carrot yet. We already seasoned our turkey. Now this recipe does not call for you to go ahead and add your onion in at the beginning while you're cooking your turkey. Just so you know, it does not call for that. But you're more than welcome to if you'd like. This is more meant for the sauce. But since the turkey is pretty much done, it's just about done. And you see how much meat there is? Oh my gosh. See, 2 pounds of turkey will go a long way. But we're also using the biggest pan, the biggest baking sheet from Martha Stewart collection. Also from Sam's Club. You guys know how big I am with the Sam's Club shopping. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I got these a while back and they had a really good sale. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting that. I'm so getting that. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And I went Sam's Club shopping, and yes, I did. Bam! Got hooked up with that all the way. Here, let me go ahead and pour this little, kind of this little something right there on in there. And then we're going to go ahead and put that on a little simmer while I go ahead and chop up some more carrot. Meanwhile, I highly encourage you not to wait till the last minute to go ahead and get your carrot on. You know, don't be unprepared like me. Yeah. There you go. There we go. There, and so the way it's not too thick, I have a water purifier on here. We're gonna go ahead and run some purified water to there. We're not gonna do no tap water though. I'm not cool with that. This San Antonio, we don't drink the water around here. We do bottled water. Everything's beautiful about the city, but we don't drink the water. No, honey, we don't do that. No. So, there we go. So we can go ahead and get this all nice and cooking in. This is gonna be a really, really, really meaty, healthy. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I'm really glad I went with a bigger dish, but if I would have went with the smaller, the second size down of the Martha Stewart, I think that is 13 by 6, 13 by 8, something like that. I don't know. It's the biggest one. It comes in a set of 3. You got like, yeah, I got to get my measurements right. Sure. No, I don't got it in there. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and just let this marinate. Oh, I probably put too much water in here. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let that simmer off. It is gonna be just fine. So we're gonna turn the heat up. If you add a little bit too much water, we have a solution for that. And I'm telling you we have a solution because we're not done yet. We still have more prep to do. And I want you to tune in for that. All right, next video.